Well, what do we get here? We have a kind of go bag, in a sense. My wife, now for approximately 3 months, hasn't eaten or drank anything. She has this extreme form of dysphagia. She was in the hospital for 11 days. Food got in her lungs, and so this is the way she's going to eat and drink the rest of her life. Well, so every 4 hours, it's like at 8 o'clock, noon, 4, and 8 at night again. And overnight, you don't get up and do it. Thank goodness. But, so we don't always want to be at home when it happens. So this is just the minimal kit, you could say. So what have we got in here? We've got the liquid that she takes for food. Believe it or not, she lives off of 4 of these a day, which have about 1,500 calories. And this is shelf stable, although, it's extremely hot right now in Maine. And so if this goes in the car, I make sure this one is the next one we use if we don't end up using it. Now, we went to Daring Oaks Park and with family, had a great time. And then we didn't have to worry about leaving at a certain time because we had this with us. Now, this other part is, rather than unwrapping it, it's a syringe. And this is what we pour the medicine into. And this thread is a matching thread to the tube that my wife has. That tube runs directly into her stomach. It bypasses her, her mouth, her esophagus, her throat, everything. And so this is the basic kit, those 2 items. And she takes different medicines during the day, but there's nothing she has to take right at a certain time. So we can just forgo having the medicine with it and put that medicine in one of the later feedings. Now, we could do the medicine too. I'd crush it up beforehand. I'm going to show you the pill crusher eventually. But so this is really a freeing type thing. I thought, what else could we put in it? She uses these butterfly patches. They call them split sponges. It's a square, there's a hole in the middle, and then it's separated down here. So you can kind of take that and fit it behind the plastic device that's holding the tube. And of course, what's this going to do is make it more comfortable because you have that plastic beast against your skin, and invariably some type of liquid will come out around the wound, and that absorbs it. Not much of that happens. Then I thought some other things. I just happen to have a safety kit, and so I thought, gee, we'll throw some of those nitrile gloves in. We'll have this split sponge, and I'll get something better than just some paper towels in there. But, again, we spill anything. So anyway, this is just a remarkably better thing to have than not have, so that it can free us up to be out. Figure we're going somewhere. It takes half an hour to get there, like into Portland. So you get an hour in, an hour out. So say we leave at 12. We feed it or leave at 12:30, get there. Well, we got to leave at 3:30 to get back by 4. Well, with this, we don't. And there it is. I'll be talking more about tube feeding and things, but I want to be careful what I say. So I need to do a little more research before I do videos on TV, on YouTube about it. But there we go. A go bag for a person on a tube. Now, you can see too, if we had these and we had the medicines, had 3 more of these, it could become an overnight thing. But we'd probably want to bring the pill crusher too, which is an electric device. But there we go. To skip one feeding, this works perfect.